Hey guys, welcome to my channel. In this video, I will show you how I make these cupcakes. This is a basic cupcake recipe, and I often use this recipe as a starting point for other types of cupcakes. So for these cupcakes, you will need milk, flour, sugar, salt, vanilla extract, baking powder, and eggs. So ideally you start by creaming the butter before adding the sugar, but for some reason I forgot to do that. And you can of course use a mixer to make these cupcakes. After creaming the butter and sugar, add the eggs one by one. You want to make sure that the egg is fully incorporated before adding the next one. After all the eggs have been added, add the milk and vanilla extract. In a different bowl, mix the flour, baking powder, and salt. Add the flour to the liquid and mix it. Keep mixing it until you get a very smooth batter. Line your cupcake tray and fill the cups. Bake it in a preheated oven for about 18 to 20 minutes. And there you have your cupcakes. I hope you guys liked this video. If you did, make sure to give it a thumbs up and don't forget to subscribe for more videos. Thanks for watching, guys.